automatic and cross-check. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, all portable electronic equipment and mobile phones should be switched off. We are now going to take you through our safety procedures and equipment. We ask you to watch and listen carefully. The safety card in your seat area shows details of escape routes, oxygen masks and life jackets. It also shows the bracing position which you must adopt in an emergency landing. Emergency exits on both sides of the aircraft. They are clearly marked and being pointed out to you now. There are 2 exits at the rear of the aircraft, 2 overwing exits on each side in the center, and 2 at the front of the cabin. Please take a moment now to locate the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. To help you find your way to the exits, additional lighting will be provided in the aisle at floor level. In the unlikely event of having to use the escape slide, leave all hand baggage behind and remove high heel shoes if you wear them, as they may tear the slide. Please now ensure that the table is folded away, your seat back is upright with the armrests down, and your seat belt fastened. Your seat belt is fastened and adjusted like this, and unfastened like this. When the fasten seat belt signs are on, you must go back to your seat and fasten your seat belt securely. For your own comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seat belt fastened at all times and visible to avoid being disturbed in flight. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will appear automatically. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you. This will open your oxygen supply. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this, and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. To make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If you cannot locate this, please ask a member of the cabin crew after this safety briefing. In the event of landing on water, remove the life jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece, and there's a whistle here for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft. We will supply lifeguards for babies and life jackets for infants. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, please study the safety card and take notice of the fasten seatbelt sign. May we remind you that electronic items such as games, laptops and PDAs may interfere with the aircraft systems and must be switched off during takeoff and landing. If you have any questions, please ask one of the crew.
traveller customers, and one located here at the front for the use of our Club Europe customers only. I'd also like to draw your attention to the wellbeing pages in the High Life magazine. The guide provides advice and a series of exercises designed to enhance and promote your wellbeing during the flight today. I'd very much appreciate it if you